Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. So let's start. AirDrop is used for transferring files amongst any Apple devices. I'm going to show you how to transfer a photo and you can transfer any files in the same way. Now first open your photos. Now select a photo you want to share. Now tap on the share icon on bottom left corner. Now tap on AirDrop. And if you have any Apple devices with their AirDrop on, it will show up here. I have my MacBook, so I'll just tap on that. And then I have to accept the request on my MacBook. And then the file will be immediately sent. And that's how you can send via AirDrop. Now let me show you how you can receive files via AirDrop. I'll just send a video from my MacBook to this iPhone. When you are about to receive a file, a request will pop up. Now tap on Accept. And the video will be sent to your photos. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.